Hello and welcome inside my studio and to my crafting table. This is the table that has been to many craft shows and fairs with me and helped me design these. This is the tunnel book, and you can see here that it has jointed animals. It fits with a 3-ring binder. It fits in a standard 3-ring binder. And this tunnel book showcases the animals that live in the ocean, and then it has a hole through each page showcasing the biomes, the tidal pool where the crab lives and the starfish. And you can see other animals as you dive down through the sunlight zone. You might find animals in the kelp forest, and you might see animals in a coral reef. And as you continue diving down through the levels of the ocean, you might encounter a whale eating a krill swarm. You might go and see a jellyfish bloom in the twilight zone. And all of these pieces are interactive and movable. And finally, what will you find in the midnight zone? Now, this is my original prototype of the tunnel book, and we have since created your own do-it-yourself tunnel book kit. So in the tunnel book kit, you get everything you need to make your own version of this tunnel book. So in the book, in the box, you get 16 beautiful watercolors. You get 3 rings to put your book together. You get 14 double-sided foam tape pieces in order to put your animals on the pages. You also get 100 white mini brads to put your animals together. They're paintable, so you can change the color. And you get 3 acrylic paint pens, gold, silver, and white. So you can add your story, you can add lettering, you can write a poem, you can do research about your animals and add that. You of course get directions, and then you get everything you need to make your book. It comes in a nice plastic case, and the box is of course reusable. You get all the pieces to make the animals. You just paint them and then pop them out of their backer board, and away you go. You assemble them. So each one of these here comes blank like this. You get all these pages. You got 7 pages for 14 total pages in your book, as well as 12 animals, 1 for every page. Here, let me show you the other designs we have as well. This is the ocean tunnel book, which has ocean animals including octopus and seahorse and whales and jellyfish, as well as a clownfish and a squid and dolphins and seals and all those fun things. So this one comes with all you need to make your own 3D tunnel book. Then we have the pond tunnel book. The pond tunnel book comes with animals that you would find in a pond, including koi and frogs and swans and all sorts of goodness. So just like the other kit, you get everything you need to make your 3D book. And finally, the last one, which I'm very proud of, is the space tunnel book. Here's the prototype. How cool is this? This was my prototype, of course. And so you can see the planets, and I made this really messy to show you how beautifully it comes out, regardless of artistic talent. Literally, I just took watercolors, I just slopped them on here. I added a little glitter paint and just stuck my pieces on. So no text, no detail work, no artistic talent required, and you still get a really gorgeous, interesting end product that you can add research to about the planets or whatever. So this kit, the Space Tunnel Book Kit, is really a cool one. It comes now with a shuttle. The shuttle is near as big as my hand when assembled. It also comes with an astronaut, and it comes with all 9 planets, unless you happen to think Pluto is not a planet, and then you can use it as a moon. Shh, I won't tell, that's fine. And you can see here the rocket shuttle is as big as my hand. When it's assembled, it's based after the actual shuttle. So we have a fuel cell here, 2 more fuel cells here. We've got the rocket boosters that attach here and here, so they actually move, and you've got all your astronaut pieces. So these books are very good sized at 14 pages with 9 planets, a shuttle, an astronaut, a satellite as well with its reflectors that rotate. These are the reflectors for the satellite up here. You've got rings and a couple extra stars. This makes a really stunning book. When you put it all together, you've got all these pages. They really kind of become thick, and you've got this heirloom book that you are gonna want to put on your coffee table, share with your friends and family, and hand down and keep as a keepsake. There you have it. These are the new amazing 3D tunnel books. They have a tunnel which goes through them and pieces that are moved. And finally, last thing I should mention is that these can be used to create stop motion animation. So once you've finished your book, and I dare you to ever be completely done with it, you can actually move your animals. Move it, take a photo, move it, take a photo, move it, take a photo. Using a free stop motion animation app on your phone, you can make a stop motion animation quickly and easily. Because the hardest part of making stop motion animation is the characters, is creating the creatures. Oh, look, his tentacles coming out the side. He's holding on. So creating stop motion animation is the hardest part, is creating the sculptures, creating the creatures, and creating the joints that allow you to move them. But this takes all the work out of it, and now you have animals that you can move and create stop motion animation with, play with, turn into shadow puppets, and have a lot of fun with, tell stories about, and continue the creativity. There you have it. Hope you've enjoyed my short little presentation about the tunnel books, and I'll talk to you soon.